Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw the fire flower from the Mario movie, and let's jump right into it, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a circle right here for the center, and I'm going to draw. You can draw this in two parts, okay? Number one, you can draw a curve like that. If you don't want to draw the full circle, because I know drawing the entire circle is really intimidating for some people. Let me turn the mic around so you can hear me. Hello. And then let's draw the underside of the circle as well. Curve underneath here, like so. There you go. Good stuff. So you have that circle shape, and that's a very important thing to kind of establish. Again, don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification for my circle. I'm kidding. Click the circle, click the subscribe because you want to learn, because we go over drawing every single day. So, and we're gonna go over a lot of cool characters and stuff from like media. Line up here, right there. That's for one eye. We gotta make it long though. And another right there. You want to float it a little bit higher than, center a little bit, but you don't have to. It could be center. We're leaving kind of like some white shape right there. The reason we're leaving white shapes right there is we want to have a highlight of some type. You can make it smaller, bigger, make it upper. That part doesn't really matter. And this is the movie version, right? So here's the difference. We're going to start going to the difference. So right off the bat, we're going to put another circular shape, but this one's going to be a little bit more organic, because I know in the video game that circle shape is like a perfect circle. Right here it's a little bit more like just like a flowery organic, like an organic flower shape. But right now we're going to do this shape, kind of wiggle it around, make it bubbly, a little bit wiggly. And the reason we're doing that is because we want it to look more real, slightly more real as you can get. And right now we're going to pull in up right there. We're going to be splitting this guy up into different portions of the flower. Over here, over here, over here. We're just kind of like separating kind of those petals from what's going on. Let's go out over here now on the outside. Down, up. Curve over here. So it's another circle of like an organic flowery shape, right? And I'm just kind of more or less bouncing around a little bit. Yeah, you're going to notice it's going to become a lot bigger, the shape, right? Just overall. Like overall, because you started with that circle and now you're kind of going all over the place. Gonna go over here now, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in here, curve in here. Well, line here. We're drawing lines inward, right, to kind of separate those petals. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like Mario of any kind, because then I can put more tutorials on here. There's a Mario playlist, by the way. I might make a Mario movie playlist. I'm not sure yet. I'm not totally sure. I think I'm just going to make one overall Mario list. But yeah. Line over here now. We're going to draw a little bit of detail, meaning drawing a line right here. See, little lines randomly, kind of, as kind of the folds of the petal and things of that sort. Line. Line over here. There we go. Looking good so far. Alrighty. These are separated by color, which, we're not going to do that in this video, but you can always do that. If you want to separate this a little bit more, here's a little trick. You can draw a thicker line kind of around these divisions right here. Like, see this outside division? If you draw that thicker line, it's going to create a little bit of a separation visually for when someone looks at it. Don't forget we have cool coloring books, by the way. I was thinking about it because it kind of feels like we're making our own coloring book. Go check those out. That's the very first link in the description. I put up a coloring book on Amazon.com. Go take a look at it. Otherwise, there is a free How to Draw Cute ebook that I put in the... you'd have to look in the description as well, but that is 100% free. I used to sell it, but it's kind of like how to draw chibi, that kind of stuff. So go take a look at that when you have time. Going over here, pulling up. Right on. See how that kind of visually separates that from that layer? Just kind of a trick that you can use, you know. Okay, let's go over here now. We're gonna draw a stem. Line down, line down, line up, line up, line up, line up. Go over here now. Curve, curve. Out over here, up. Over here on this side, curve, curve over here. One over here. One over here. See, now we're kind of drawing those thin lines in the leaf, right, kind of at the base. That one you can draw as many as you want. Like I said, when it comes to like the Mario movie, you can add a lot more textures, a lot of stuff that you wouldn't normally add for the game design. So that's kind of something that I think is good to watch for. It's fun to do that. It's fun. Honestly, I find it very much fun to add to little like leaf details and things like that. It's very random. If you do too, let me know. And that is mostly it, okay? If you want anything else drawn from the Mario movie on here, if you want a lesson on how to do that, please let me know. I will make it happen. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna change the entire name of the channel soon. That's exciting. Not yet though, but very soon. I am very close to 200,000. I think around the 200,000 mark, I'm gonna start, like when I go above that, I'm gonna change the channel name to Sketch Monster, which is my tag name on Instagram. It's kind of the art name I've been going by for like a long time. Thank you so much. What I want you to do is I want you to kind of focus on drawing and doodling, and doodle a little bit for yourself every day. When you do that, you're gonna get a lot better without even really realizing. You're just kind of doodling, you're gonna get better at certain things, your hand-eye coordination, your line work. That's just gonna get better, and it's gonna make all your drawing a lot better, okay? Thank you so much. Reach out to me. I'm easy to reach out to. Say hi to me in the comment if you can hear me right now. Say hi. I promise I will reply. See you later, okay?